But nevertheless, the central idea that there has to be a connection, and the one that lingers in my mind so strongly, is a connection between women who need research done and people who have the possibility, and I'm not thinking here only of academics, possibility of organizing that research. And the one that sticks in my mind is the research on Chinese women who were put literally on the streets in Vancouver by their husbands after 30 years married, with no knowledge of English, with no knowledge of Canada, with no knowledge where the social help was. And it was one of the first pieces of research in my memory. Remember, I'm a historian that's happiest in the 18th century. So may not have this entirely right. But c'était pour moi une des choses les plus fondamentales que CRIO a fait. C'est ça que c'est le type de recherche. Quand on dit nettement, il y en a des problèmes, il faut vraiment commencer en disant c'est les femmes qui ont ce problème. Faisons quelque chose pour faire que le monde nous écoute. Things have changed since CRIO founding, thank God. But women's perspective is so often peripheral. The problem isn't seen as this problem was, as a fundamental question of women. Men weren't put on the street with no English, no knowledge of the social network, after being married for 30 years and then told too bad. And we need this kind of gathering, transnational, which brings us together on these sorts of problems. And I think perhaps, and I'll end on this note, that however difficult our financial problems have been, we have never said the equivalent of what the New Brunswick MPs said yesterday, that bilingualism is too expensive. Si vous pensez que les Italiens sont bien tranquilles ce matin, vous trompez. It is not a group that is saying this is economically, we cannot face this. We went to Yellowknife and kept the promise we made at our funding meeting that we would go north. And the people from the north continued to say, you never will. It's too expensive. You can't. Well, we made it. And when I look at this group, which is as delightfully diverse as that first group, in age and in heritage and experience, all I can say is it's like the country. It's like the bumblebees. We shouldn't fly, but boy, we do.